how to get unbanned from Grindr. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to get unbanned from Grindr. Alright, so let's begin. So one of the most effective methods on how you can get unbanned here is by using a VPN. So I recommend NordVPN for that. So now let me explain why NordVPN would help you in getting unbanned in Grindr. So let's say that you are banned now in Grindr, and then whenever you sign up for a new account that is not banned, and then you still can't log in because you are banned from Grindr. So in that case, NordVPN will be able to help you out because in that case, your IP is banned. And with NordVPN, you would be able to change your IP by connecting to different servers, like for example, United States. And then once you are connected to a different server, your IP is now changed. So now you want to go back into Grindr. And then from here you want to register with Grindr right here for a new account. And then from there you should be able to use Grindr from there because your IP is now different. But if in any case that you would want to get your banned Grindr account to get unbanned, then there is only one method for that, which is to go into contacting the customer support of Grindr. So this is your only case. Go into grindr.com/contact, and then from here you can contact the customer support. So this would only work if you have a valid reason that you are wrongly banned and that you should get unbanned by Grindr right here. So when you contact them, just explain your situation, be very respectful with your words, and then just wait for their response with your request. So this would be the only way to unban your account. But if you don't want to bother with this, then just use NordVPN to change your address and register for a new account and start your journey once again. So that's basically how you can get unbanned from Grindr. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.